you wanna get access of this kind of design totally free of cost with commercial free license. So this video is for you guys. So come to this website, creativefabrica.com. Here you can see the categories in graphics. They are given 3D SVGs, home crafts, and there are so many things in 3Ds, sparks, crafts, needlework, classes. There are millions of designs available. So let me search here. So I searched the mug design, and you can see there are so many thousands of mug designs. Here, let me check one. You can see the designs. There are infinite designs, guys. So you can find any design you want. This is also looking so nice. So let me show you. See the mug designs, guys. So fascinating. So let me search t-shirt designs. So amazing, guys. There are every kind of designs you will get. See the designs. And here is the pricing, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.